Make sure that groove is in there. So turn it straight though. Turn it straight though. Keep it straight. Yeah. All right, go on up. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. There you go. Right there, just like that. See how they lined up for you? Huh? Keep going. Keep going. Push it in a little bit, jerk it a little bit. Keep going. Turn it. Yeah, all right. Stay in place, right? Yeah. All right, good. Now get your thing out. Bust the nuts. That's where man pop come in. Bust the nuts.
This a new tire for your car?
There you go. I did one. Push down. Each one. Yep. Go in order. Push down. Hold it. Push down. Yep. Put some strength. Put some big boy into it. Put some big boy into it.
Do it like you be fighting us.
I said do it like you be fighting us.
There you go. Go to the next one.
Tire go.
Push down. Get some leverage. Yeah.
Coco, somebody left.
Come on. Come on. Pull up. Oh, which way? Yeah. Push down is that way. Nope.
I just did that one.
Step on it. If you're going to do that stepping, just push it in there and then do like bounce on it. Like step on it like this. No. Like this. And you put your body weight on it like that. See how easy it is? Do nuts. Do nuts. No, I didn't.
Which one you ain't did?
Check them.
That one done. There you go. There you go. Okay, the next one. After that, right there. Stop stepping. You're gonna knock it out of place. Put your foot on it.
And press down.
Put your weight on it. Bounce like bounce like step up on it. Step up on it. Step up on it. Step up on it. Lean up. Now bounce your pressure. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You still keep kicking it. Just keep doing it. Now take them all off.
You gotta take them off.
Take them off.
No. Eat your food. That's how you do it.
Process is simple.
Like,
Come on.
You can say that to table. Eat your num-nums. Look like
Okay, once you loosen them down, take the other piece out of there. Mm-hmm.
You get all the oil on you.
Put that
On your
in that
toes.
hole.
And then
No.
you put
In that
gas
hole.
and you
In that
step
hole. Yes,
Like
sir.
you get like them fire.
Simple math. Push
What?
the little button.
Ew.
Go through.
Wash
Okay.
them toes.
Now, there go the hook. Put the hook on there. Jack. Put the hook on the jack. Put the hook on the jack.
On the side.
No, right where you was turning it at. Yep, right there. Now, get down in the squat position or whatever and crank the thing up. But now you undid the tires. Crank it. Listen, no. Listen. Put the thing in your hand like
You gotta
this.
do it first.
Okay, I gotta show you here. Stand right there. Look. Let's show you. What's the tire doing? It's going up, right?
Yeah.
So keep going. Step towards the house. Stand in front of it. Step to the side. Get in front of your work. In front of your work. In front, yeah. Lean down, flush. No, hold it.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Hold this thing straight, like this. Hold it.
I did it.
And keep turning. You all this.
Bob, see how this?
Stop playing with that.
Why are you recording so much?
You gotta get your shine.
Go. There you go. Yeah, you're lifting up a car. So yeah, it's gonna be a little elbow grease. You gotta get on your knees. Get on your knees. Okay. Yeah. There you go.
Ah, jump.
Turn it. Look at the tire going up. Every time you turn it, it's gonna go up. You gotta get it all the way off the ground just so this one will go up on it.
Look, you look like that. You look like that eyes.
Where you get that from?
There you go. Crank it.
Right here.
Crank that soldier boy. You.
There you go.
Oh, watch me on that Superman, that oh, that's what me you. That's soldier boy, you. Now watch me, you. Now watch me, you.
Take them off while you doing that.
Now watch me fart. Now watch you.
Keep on.
Y'all know Hershey outside? Oh. What? I said Hershey outside. That should go right there.
Hershey. Oh. Hershey. Hershey, where's she?
It's going up.